Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for joining me this week. I have decided to switch things up a little bit because my personal life has gotten a little bit too busy to make 2 videos a week. So I'm going to be doing 1 video a week that will be a combination of a tutorial Tuesday and a feature Friday. So when we have new products, I'll be doing a tutorial on different art looks that you can do with them. When we don't have new products, I'll just be doing fun nail art for you. So this week I have quite a big release from Young Nails. They have their new summer 2018 collection out. So as always, there is an art screen that corresponds with it, as well as 4 new caption colors, and they did again do the color shots. So those are just 5 mils, so you can try out each color, and then they do have the caption as well. And then of course they have the corresponding go time that go with those. And a new thing that's really exciting, and I know a lot of people are gonna love this, is a transfer foil kit. So this has 3 different transfer foils in it. There's a silver and a gold holographic, as well as a rainbow type as well. So I'm going to play around with all of these for you today and show you a fun summer look with transfer foils. So starting off with the swatch videos. Here I have the new Love is Love color. I find this one to be a pretty true red, like a fire truck kind of red. I did find that the caption color was slightly more cherry and the Go Time color was slightly more orange. The Go Time I preferred 2 coats, and the caption stamps really well over light colors and not well at all over dark. Next, I have Lose Yourself, which is a really nice light gray. It is quite a true gray. There aren't any undertones of other colors in it. I did find the caption and Go Time to be very similar in color. I definitely would do 2 colors with the Go Time, and the caption stamped well over light and dark. Next I have Triptastic, and this one I found the biggest difference between the caption and the Go Time. I did find the Go Time quite a bit darker than the caption color, but both of them are like a pastel grape kind of purple. I did again like 2 coats with the Go Time, and the caption did stamp well over both light and dark. And the final color is Found Paradise, and this one again I did find quite a difference in the caption and the Go Time. The Go Time I found to be a little bit more of an orangey coral, and the caption I found to be more of a pink kind of coral. I did again like 2 coats with the Go Time, although you might be able to get away with 1 coat with this color. And the caption stamped really well over light and was quite sheer over dark, but it might be an effect that you might like for your clients. Now this new foil transfer kit from Young Nails called Foil Freaks, it has a black caption polish as well as 1 roll of gold holographic transfer foil, 1 roll of silver holographic transfer foil, and 1 roll of it's like a teal, a blue, and a pinky kind of purple transfer foil. There are instructions on how to use these transfer foils with just the caption polish, but I'm going to show you using them stamping the caption polish. So this is the new summer 2018 art screen that Young Nails has come out with. There's lots of really nice designs on this plate. And all I'm going to do is I've cut my foils, so I'm just working with a small piece rather than trying to work with a huge long roll of it. And all I'm gonna do is stamp my caption like I normally would, and you have to move really fast for this because the polish dries quite quickly. And then taking my piece of foil and dabbing it onto the wet polish. Again, you have to move super fast to have this technique work for you. And then you can use any caption color that you want, so you don't have to use the black that comes in the kit. I also wanted to show you that you can use these transfer foils with tack from Light Elegance. So you would just apply your tack over the whole nail, cure for 30 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV, and then take your transfer foil and dab it on. Again, I found that I did have to move a little bit quickly once the tack started kind of cooling off after it had been in the lamp. The foil didn't stick as well. And then Finally, you can also use the foils with the Nail Basics bondage. So with the bondage, you apply on the whole nail. I waited for this to dry about 30 seconds. You can test if it's sticky enough with just a little bit of the pad of your finger. And once you get a little bit of a stick to it, you can again just apply your foil onto the nail, dabbing it, or you can lay the foil on the whole nail and peel it off as well. It's another option. And then to finish the foils off, you can apply any top coat that you like. I'm using Super Shiny today, but you can use the finish gel from Young Nails, you can use your Manicure top coat, you can use Sunshine from Nail Basics, First and Last from Nail Basics, really any top coat that you like. So those are the new things from Young Nails that I have for you this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Thank you for always subscribing to our channel and liking and sharing our videos. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. And don't forget that you can always support us by following us on Instagram and liking us on Facebook.